Obviously, a lot of my focus in the last few weeks has been on practical applications of these tool sets. And I think it's really important to look within your organization and find the 10x application of this stuff. In a lot of marketing organizations that need to produce content, they're already all over this, but there are opportunities within either the models themselves and the model platforms like OpenAI, or through some of the really cool tool sets that have been developed externally. I'm a bit of a naysayer about a lot of those tool sets, at least the simplistic ones that are just what you'd call a wrapper sitting on top of the LLM technology that makes something better within that world. That's just a feature waiting to be developed as we're heading for further model development with all of these guys. But there are really, really valuable platforms out there that have very highly specialized applications, like this one, Rohirrim. It is an enterprise level RFP response platform. So if you are a massive company that has 1,000 people in it who are all constantly responding to RFPs, Rohirrim can contextualize all of the information from your prior proposals and your RFPs and create customized RFPs in a matter of a click. And it's not cheap, enterprise scale, enterprise pricing, but for organizations that are doing that, it's speeding up their time to response. It's reducing the number of resources they need to do so. It's reducing the feedback loops that they have internally. It's ROI positive almost immediately at the right sort of scale. Or if you're an international organization that's found itself sort of pigeonholed into one geography or another, just based on the lift that's required in order to do human level language translation, this is a huge opportunity. There are numerous tools out there that will allow you to even convert your video, your voice, dubbing, text, copy, everything. There's no reason to be just operating in that one language anymore. So pause, sit down with your team, and think about where are these really big points of friction in the organization where if we fix this, we can 10x our return. And that's the low-hanging fruit. So focus in on those projects.